You're about to watch a fun story of mBot Neo, and afterward, you'll find out more about this robot.
Now, where did that egg go?
Hi, Cosmo.
Hello, who are you?
I'm mBot Neo. I saw your ad that you needed a robot to test some new robot life hacks.
Oh, great. Let me show you the first robot life hack. This hack is that if you accidentally fall off the roof, you can turn on your propellers and land safely.
I'll
push you off, and we'll see if it works.
No.
What's the problem?
I don't even have propellers. I won't land safely.
Oh, okay, let's try a different robot life hack. This hack is if you see a car zooming toward you, just flash a red light and it will stop. Go out in the middle of that road to test this hack.
No.
What's the problem? I know you have lights.
My lights are not bright enough for a driver to see me.
Okay, I have one last hack that I think you will be able to do. This hack is that if you lose something, you can turn on your robot tracker device to find it. I need you to turn on your tracker device to find my missing golden egg.
I don't have a tracker device.
You can't jump off a roof. You can't drive into traffic. What can you do?
There's a bunch of things I can do, actually. I have tons of sensors. I can connect to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I can follow lines. I have a speaker, a microphone, a screen, lights, and I can even be programmed with Python or Scratch.
Wow, did you say you could follow lines?
Yes.
Maybe you can help me after all. I saw a new line today that I have never seen before.
That could be related to your egg. Let's go.
Hello, Botsies.
Hey Cosmo, who is your friend?
This is mBot.
Hi mBot. You guys found the beginning of my scavenger hunt. I made a scavenger hunt in the house, and the first step is to follow that line.
We're actually on our own hunt right now. We're looking for Cosmo's golden egg.
Have you seen it?
I've been busy making the scavenger hunt. But if you continue on the scavenger hunt, maybe you will find the egg on the way.
Well, we don't have any other leads, so we might as well.
Great!
What are we looking for in your scavenger hunt?
It's a surprise.
What is the next part of your scavenger hunt?
You have to figure out this riddle to find out where to go next. All dressed up and nowhere to go.
Oh, I know. All dressed up and nowhere to go must mean the refrigerator. Dressed means salad dressing.
I'm not sure about that. Maybe it means where you get clothes to get dressed. I think it's in the closet.
That's an even better idea. Let's go. It sure is dark in this closet.
I'll turn on my light.
Thanks.
Do you want a different color?
I love red.
No problem.
Here is another clue. It says what's always running but has no legs.
That's a tricky one.
I think it really is the refrigerator this time.
That makes sense. Let's go.
So what do you think is going to be at the end of this hunt?
I have an idea. Remember what Botsy said?
No.
Let me play it back for you. I recorded what he said with my microphone.
But if you continue on the scavenger hunt, maybe you will find the egg on the way.
Oh yeah.
I think Botsy's may have hidden your egg.
Why would he do that?
I don't know, but I found a clue. It says, I haul rocks or dirty socks.
A truck hauls rocks. Could it be a truck?
Botsy said it was in the house. I don't think a truck would fit in the house.
I don't even care about this scavenger hunt anymore. I can't believe Botsy's would take my egg.
Let's go find Botsy's.
Congratulations, you figured out all the clues.
Actually, we couldn't figure out the last clue.
But you found the answer to the clue.
What do you mean?
The clue was I haul rocks or dirty socks. The answer is this toy truck.
I don't care about that anymore.
You didn't like my scavenger hunt?
Why did you hide my egg?
You didn't even look behind the trunk yet. How did you know there was an egg there?
You stole my egg.
Sorry, I didn't know it was your egg. I just found it and thought it would be a good prize for my scavenger hunt.
I'll have to put my name on it next time.
Wow, this egg is humongous. What's inside?
It's the perfect place to store my cubes.
Whoa, these are cool cubes.
Thanks. And thanks for the help with the scavenger hunt. Your features were really helpful.
Hi, this is mBot 2, and we're going to be making it today. If you see, this is a little controller.
The mBot Neo robot has a bunch of features. There's an app that allows you to control it. mBot Neo has a line follower, a color sensor, an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a microphone, a speaker, and more.
Go forward.
The brain of the robot is CyberPi. CyberPi is a versatile microcontroller that can do a bunch of different things.
La la da 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 da.
It comes with some cool games and programs preloaded into it that you can play separate from the robot. Also, you can program the robot using Scratch or Python from a computer or mobile device. It includes a step-by-step programming tutorial. Here, we modified one of the sample programs so that the back of mBot Neo lights up with the color that it is driving over. This robot kit packs in a lot of features for the price.